Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the iPad and app. Now get straight to an entry. Open the app, sign in or create an account, and grant notifications and photos access so you can attach context. Tap New Entry and pick a mood, then add 1 to 2 tags and a short note explaining why. Once saved, set a simple 1x daily reminder so building the habit begins immediately. This first step turns intention into data you can use. Once you have entries coming, make the app work for you by creating a routine. Set 1 or 2 daily reminders at realistic times and use tags for triggers like sleep, work, or social. Add short context, a photo, a voice note, or a 1-2 sentence situation description so entries explain the why, not just the mood. Then use filters to group entries and start noticing patterns across days, which helps you change behavior based on real trends. To finish each cycle, review your week. Open trends, scan graphs, and check top tags to see what drives mood shifts. Export as CSV or backup to iCloud so you keep a copy and can share with a therapist if desired. Make sure Face ID or a passcode is enabled for privacy and that auto sync is on. If entries don't sync, force close the app, confirm iCloud settings, and toggle Wi-Fi. Relaunch to resolve most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.